In today's video, I'll show you how to use advanced search in Asana. While the basic search bar is great for quick lookups, advanced search lets you dig much deeper, filtering across your entire workspace by dozens of different criteria at once. Let's start by clicking Search at the top of the screen. From here, click Advanced Search to open the full filter panel. You'll see options right away for type, whether to include subtasks, milestones, or approvals, plus filters for located, status, assigned to, due date, and collaborators. If you need even more precision, clicking Add Filter reveals additional options like custom fields, dependencies, has attachments, dates, tags, and people. This is incredibly useful when you're trying to track down something very specific, like every task tagged a certain way and assigned to a particular teammate. For this example, I'll type in a keyword and press Enter to run the search. This brings up a full results page broken into tabs for tasks, messages, projects, portfolios, and goals, so you instantly know how many matches exist in each category. From the results page itself, you can keep refining using the filter pills along the top, like located, assignee, collaborators, and due date, or click more filters for the complete set. You can even sort the columns or switch to a title-only view if you just want a cleaner list. To recap, click Search, then Advanced Search to access detailed filters, set your criteria, and press Enter to see a full categorized results page you can keep refining. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!